welcome to Michaela's List. Hi guys, my name is Michaela and my channel's name is Michaela's List. Today we're going to be opening up Beaker Creatures learning resources. Let's check it out. Okay. Got it. Looks like these are the pods or something. Oh, there. These look like sandballs. Okay. Got it. That was easy. No! I got it. I need to take this thing out. Okay. I need to go with water. Oh, yeah, it's over here. It looks like an egg that has sand on it. Okay, now we're going to put the beaker creature in. Okay, I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to put my CT glasses on. Oh, it's fizzing. Try to break it open. I got it. Let's see what's inside. See what's inside. Let me look on the box and see what it is. Looks like I got Billow. It's one Ocean Nights. Okay, I'm gonna put it here since it's the first one. Okay, I'm gonna put this one in now. Oops. Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh, look, it's still in there. Okay, this guy's name is Burke. And this guy is Bella. No! This guy. This is what it looks like. There's other experiments to do, but we're only going to open them up today. Okay? Bye. Don't forget my channel's name is Michaela's List. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. lots of fun doing. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.